This is really cool place to be.
It's been really fun.
It had a reaction in B.
STEM, the basic acronym, stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. Sometimes people think it means just more science and math. It's not necessarily just more science and math. It's also using the engineering design process, which is a problem-solving process. Research, try those problems, communicate those problems, and produce something.
If there's going to be the kind of workforce that everybody in North Dakota is hoping for, then there really needs to be a pipeline. There needs to be a guarantee that the kind of workforce is going to be tooled and ready.
Everything's done.
One of the projects that they did was a crime scene unit.
By putting the anti-A serums and such, we can figure out what blood type he was so that you can solve who the suspect was.
Stage a whole crime scene with blood splatter, and then they gathered DNA, they analyzed DNA, they communicated what they had found, they worked with the police department.
It's really cool. It's like applying what we learned in school to something that, we usually don't work with, like the crime scene stuff. And we're using math and calculus, and everyone in school always says when are we ever going to use this? We're using trigonometry that we learned last year, right? We're doing it today.
It was glutination, and you can see parts of it are yellow, parts of it are an orange color.
Okay, and therefore it'd be A positive.
Yeah.
They looked at trends in West Fargo in crime, and so they did scatter plots, and that's math. So if you look at it, it's incorporating everything together. It's not learning in isolation.
I think this is really awesome. It's just a jump start to my whole year because I just love science.
We are very lucky in North Dakota because we are doing well. To continue to do well, we need to be globally competitive, but the most important part is when they create something from their knowledge. That gives them a sense of pride, and they've accomplished something.
This is something very special that has turned out to be really fun.